Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's combine 1 cup of pancake mixed with 3/4 cup of water in a bowl. The key here is to mix just until you get a smooth batter. A few small lumps are actually good. You'll know the consistency is perfect when the batter slowly drips off your spoon, kind of like thick honey.
Now,
Let's get that griddle nice and hot over medium heat. A trick I've learned over the years is to spritz just a light coating of cooking spray. Too much and your pancakes won't get that beautiful golden color. You'll know the griddle is ready when a few drops of water dance and sizzle on the surface. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to pour the batter. For each pancake, use about 1/4 cup of batter. That's about the size of an ice cream scoop. The batter should spread naturally into a circle about 4 inches wide. If it spreads too much, your batter's too thin. If it barely spreads, it's too thick. Here comes the fun part. Watching for bubbles. You'll see little bubbles forming on the surface of your pancake. The trick is to wait until these bubbles pop and leave little holes that stay open, usually about 2-3 minutes. That's your signal that it's time to flip. After flipping, you'll only need about 1-2 minutes on the second side. Keep an eye on the color. You're looking for a warm, golden brown, like a perfect sunset. If you're unsure, you can gently lift an edge with your spatula to check. Finally, serve these fluffy beauties while they're still warm. Stack them up on a plate. They should be light and airy, with a slight spring when you press them gently with your finger. A pro tip: keep finished pancakes warm in a low-temperature oven, 200° F, while you cook the rest. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
bye.